All right, good morning, everybody. Um, in light of kind of everything that's going on in our country right now, I absolutely feel like we should have a moment to stop and just kind of think about what's going on. But we all process things differently. So if you'd rather not and you just kind of want to keep going on with what we're doing in class, that's absolutely fine as well. The assignment is given to you right here on the agenda. You've got some notes with the video lesson and you've got a short answer response to attempt. All of the notes are there. But I also feel like some of us kind of need an opportunity to kind of figure out what's going on, and please don't feel like you're too young to have an opinion. You're not. At this point, we're all old enough to get jobs or drive cars, and so in a few short years, you're going to be eligible to vote, and it would be irresponsible of us as your educators to not take this opportunity to think about what's going on. Right? As an English teacher, you know that I fully believe that words matter and the way that we speak about things matters. So this assignment is optional. You don't have to do it. But if you just kind of want a space to kind of work through what's going on and just kind of express yourself, that's an opportunity. It will not be shared with anybody in the class. It's for us to start a dialogue, you and I. I absolutely encourage you to speak with your families and talk about, what you feel is right, what you feel is not right, what you're confused about, what you know to be true. But these are just some ways that I feel like it would be appropriate for us to start thinking about just some of the events that took place yesterday at the Capitol building. So the first thing is just, what do you know? What do I know to be true? Obviously, I know something happened, right? I know that there's picture evidence of X, Y, and Z. What do you think you know? So you will have assumptions, right? You will have these very raw emotions of frustration. You will have different perspectives. What do you think you know about the way people are thinking or about motivations or whatever? And then what do you want to know? What do you need to know more about? And so, just if you would like to take this opportunity to just talk about that. I think it's our responsibility as citizens of this nation to think about what's happening, but at the same time, I know we process things differently and some of us might not be ready for that yet, and that's fine too. So you've got options. If you'd like to move ahead with what we're doing for our poetry unit, today we're just comparing film to poetry. But if you need a minute to just kind of gather your thoughts and take a break, you have that option there as well. Okay. If on Zoom you have questions or you feel like you need to speak with me further about that, let's go for it. Otherwise, we will go ahead and kind of gather ourselves today and then keep moving forward tomorrow. Okay. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you guys back on Zoom tomorrow.